Hi YouTube. So my wife Yukon was not working. The shifter was not shifting. But anyways, I looked it up here on YouTube, of course, and I realized the shifting cable can break sometimes or become, I didn't know what to expect. So basically I follow from the floorboard all the way underneath. I'm gonna flip you around. So I follow from the floorboard and follow the cable, and I found out, I attach a picture here. So that thing came loose, or I guess it's broken. So went to the store. Oh, it's right here. And I bought this piece. The cable is not broke because I connected and was able to shift gear. So I got this piece. I'm gonna put inside and see if it will clip back into place. So I guess these can get worn out or the cable can break or something, but I'm gonna try to fix it on my own. I'm not a mechanic, but hey, YouTube University, baby. I will take you underneath if I can. Hold on. So before I do, I got this 3-ton drop because I have a lifted truck, and I bought this heavy duty stand. So I mean, what I learned, you don't want to just let your vehicle sit in this. You need something as a backup just in case this slips, because it's on wheel. If any failure, you want to have a backup. So anyways, if you guys have any more great tips about vehicle, let me know. All right, so this is the cable. It goes all the way from up in the floorboard, wrapped around. I don't know why. And then it comes here. So normally what you do, you have to replace this cable if anything damaged. So this is where it came off. See that? Sorry, there you go. So this basically snapped into here, but I guess there's a piece that goes in here that was missing. I thought it was like some type of clip you clip onto here when it goes on, but when I went to the store, I guess a piece goes in here and that snap into place. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna it's hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna see if I can get that on and then show you guys again. Hold on. All right guys, I did able to shove this in. You do need 2 hands. It was kind of hard, so but you push that in. I'm gonna see if it will work. Moments of truth. And it clipped into place, and it's staying. So did I fix the problem? I'm gonna keep the other one on my vehicle just in case, because I'm not sure. But when I put it on, without the clip wasn't there, but when I put it on, it did shift gear. So I'm figuring it just need to hold in place. The cable is fine. It's not loose or anything. I guess these, and what I heard, they told me at the store, these are common to break. Some of them break from other places and you do need the entire cable, but in this case I did not. I just need this little clip piece, and so far it's holding. So this connected to the transmission. This is called a shifting cable, and that's all my knowledge I know. So let me know in the comment if you guys have any tips or tricks. My goal is to work on our vehicle as much as possible instead of taking to a mechanic. So I want to learn as much as I can. So anyway, catch you guys in the next one.